Pick.
Hi, my name is Radhika Gosavi. I am a student. I'm a student of LTA School of Beauty. I enrolled with them in the year 2013 and finished my course, Cedesco course, with them in 2014. Since then, I'm a co-owner of the salon named Salon de Posh. I think after doing my Cedesco from LTA School of Beauty, there has been a lot of difference. When I opened my salon, I realized that the kind of clientele that we have is very different from the other salons that are in our vicinity. We have a quality clientele coming to us because every time my clients come to me, I'm able to understand what they require. It's all because of the Cedesco course that I have done. I think I'm able to explain my client better that what is their requirement, whether it is skin or when it comes to skin. As well as there are different machineries that we have learned to use during Cedesco. So we give them a proper treatment. Cedesco has helped me to maintain the professionalism that I have with the client. I can give them a better idea about what they need to do in the salon, the services. At the same time, the ambience that we have in the salon, the way my staff speaks with them, it makes a lot of difference when we are educated with a degree like Cedesco. Learning from LTA has been a big difference for me. It has played a major role in my life because all that I have learned about beauty is from LTA School of Beauty. So I am very thankful to all my professors, my teachers who were there, who always supported and always answered us, whether it was the stupidest question that we asked. At the same time, our principal, Vaishali ma'am, she was also very supportive, very helpful, and also Biju sir at the same time. I think in future, I have a plan to extend the business and give the best of quality services to as many customers as possible. And I think I want to prove that I have done something better or different than the others by doing Cedesco. So yeah, that should be my goal, that in future I want to improve and do better all the time. At the same time, I want to increase the chain of salons. There is a big difference between doing short courses and diploma courses at LTA, because short courses depend that what are you passionate about or what are you interested about in a particular field, as well as when you are doing diploma courses, it is all completely dependent upon in-depth knowledge or a vast knowledge. It is not about only a particular machine or a particular product or just the skin or just the hair. It's overall. It's understanding the human body, the nature, and then giving a treatment. So that's the reason a person who wants to go in for short courses has to be interested or passionate about really one thing, like it could be makeup or just hair. But a person who's going for diploma courses has to have, would be luckier, because I think he gets a vast knowledge. At last, I would say that I'm very thankful to all my teachers and Biju sir and Vaishali ma'am. I think if anybody asks me about LTA, I would surely recommend them to go ahead and take up a course at the school.